If you don't like being ignored but still love blogging, then listen up. These 5 niche ideas will change your game. Hey bloggers, ready to stand out? Here are 5 niche blog ideas that'll make you a star. First up, with city spaces shrinking, folks are hungry for tips on growing their greens in tight spots. Share your journey from seeds to salads and watch your followers sprout. Next, retro is always in. Dig through thrift stores, share styling tips, and showcase how to rock those timeless pieces. Your audience will love the blast from the past. Third, help the older generation navigate smartphones and social media. Your easy-to-follow guides could bridge the tech gap and create a loyal, grateful audience. Fourth, more people are hitting the road with their furry friends. Share your secrets to safe, stress-free pet travel. From packing lists to pet-friendly destinations, your insights will be a lifesaver. Finally, teach your readers how to declutter their lives and focus on what truly matters. In this chaotic world, who wouldn't want a little peace and simplicity? Ready to go viral? Pick a niche, pour your passion into it, and watch your blog take off. Like, share, and follow for more tips. Happy blogging!